He's trying to eat my ponytail. Is this what you're trying to get? Ow, okay. All right, nope.
No, I don't wanna collab, no, unless I hit you up.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. If you happen to be new, my name is Denasiha, this is Adira, and this is our channel. So today's video is different. I feel like I say that every time, but that's because I just like trying new things. I decided to attempt the long braided ponytail hairstyle. This is actually a style I've never done before. Outside of 3 years ago, I used this same hair. Don't judge me, okay? You know what? I make things last, okay? I used this hair to do a braided ponytail for New Year's Eve look, but I blow dried my hair, I straightened it. I did all of these things that I thought I needed to do to get that look, but this time I am older, I'm wiser, and I was able to accomplish this look without any heat whatsoever. Disclaimer, I don't want to count this as a tutorial. I mean, it could be, but I kind of sucked, and it took me so many tries to get this braid right, and I probably didn't do it the correct way, but listen, it got done, okay? So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, that's coming up next. But before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe if you actually like my video. Okay, got that out the way. Let's go.
Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. I know I'm selfish, can't really help it. I waited so many days, wanna see your face, been way too long. Tell me if I'm wrong, cause I hit your phone like damn near 24. I'm about to hit the road. Tell me why our schedule's always conflicting. I know that we be busy, but FaceTime is just not enough. I wanna feel your hand in mine and spend quality time. Yeah, that shit you cannot buy. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. I know you miss me, wanna be with me. We get that bag right now, finna travel around, I have no fear. But I still wish that you were here. I am so glad you make it clear that you love me, never know what above me. You show me that you trust me, you're the only one for me. And you know I'm a rider, yeah, I got that to die for. What we got is fire, and it's taking me higher. Save a little time for me, yeah, yeah. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got. Save a little time for me, yeah, yeah. Let's be real, it's been a minute since I got to feel you. Tick-tock on the clock, yeah, I'm counting down.
Okay, look, so I have a confession. I started this video on, I believe, Friday or Saturday. Friday or Saturday. Anyway, it's Monday, but we're back. That's all that matters, right? Okay, so my hair has been through workouts. It has been through laying on the couch. It has been through a lot, so she isn't as slick as she probably should be. I'm not going to put too much effort into retouching this. I'm just going to spray a tiny bit of water and rebrush it back. That's it.
Tick-tock on the clock, yeah, I'm counting down. You know I want you now. Wait till we link in town. Tick-tock on the clock, boy, I'm counting down. I know you want me now.
So backstory. New Year's Eve, probably 3 years ago. Yeah. I did this ponytail, and I don't know if the video is still on my channel or not, but I did this ponytail for New Year's, and I wore it that one time, and it went in my hair bag. Let me know if you also have a hair bag that just has hella bundles, hella scraps, hella cake along, all types of things just sitting in that bag and you forget what's in there. I went through that recently and I was like, oh, I forgot about these. I should probably do something. Anyhow, so this was in my bag of hair and I'm going to reuse it instead of going to buy new hair. And it's a little tangled, but it's mostly working out for me. And I think this will help because your girl is not a braider. I'm not a braider by any means. I don't know how to do feed-ins, and I typically don't know how to do something like this, but we're gonna give it a try today. And pray to God that my dog doesn't try to eat this while I do it because I know him. I really hope that this is in focus when I do it. But basically, I'm gonna put this around my ponytail and then I'm going to braid it down the length of the hair that's left out and then create my own braid. I'm going to take this off so that it's not distracting and it should be okay. Yeah, it should be fine. Alright, so here's my ponytail with my two pieces. I am going to use these. Can you see? Can y'all see back here? Okay. I'm going to use these two pieces to help me braid. But first, I just want the ponytail holder on it. Can y'all see still? I'm nervous. Okay, I think that's better. That's it right there. Okay. So, I have my 3 pieces of the hair. And I have my 2 pieces of hair. So I'm going to use these things with 2 of these. And then I'm going to braid it all together. Oh no. Okay, I can do this. I lost it already. Okay, take 2. Ooh. It does not help that this hair is crusty. Oh. Is it working? Does it look like a braid? I think so. Oh, I got a little piece sticking out there. Let's see what I can do about that. Tuck that back in. It's not... I just don't want it to be like a really small, tight braid. I want it to have a little bit of like fluffiness to it. See, that's not cute. No. Like it's not that bad all the way through. But right there, girl, go back. Try again. Once again, y'all, she's not a braider. Never have been. I was raised by my dad, okay? Alright, maybe if I try to borrow a little bit from both. Oh my god, my hands are cramping. This thing is not even, but it's okay. There we go, and now I have enough hair on all 3 sections to go all the way down. Honestly, since I like got the system down, I want to do the whole thing again. Much better. I'm gonna clean up all this hair off my floor. Okay, I think we got it. Oh, my shoulder's burning. I got a braid. It's a braid, y'all. I don't really want to look at the base, so I'm not going to. Y'all tell me how it looks. Do I need to zoom in? I can't see what y'all can see. Ooh. How'd that look? Does it look bad? I ain't going nowhere, so it don't matter. She's cute. She's not perfect, but who is? I'm happy about this. Look. But considering your girl does not braid, I don't typically know how to do any type of feed-ins or anything like that, and the fact that this is a 3-year-old crusty piece of kangalong hair, I think I did pretty good. But yeah, so that is the video. I hope that you guys liked it. I've seen a million trillion of these videos on YouTube, and I just wanted to do something different with my hair this week. So here it is. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.